Hey everybody, it's Adam Tereska on a blustery, cold January 25th, 2026. I'm in Wilkes-Barre, Pennsylvania, and to get an idea how much snow we got up here in the snowstorm. It is a little bit after 11 p.m. I just got done working a half a shift to cover for second shift. And if I were to guess, I'm going to say we got a good honest 1.5 feet of the white flaky stuff. And yes, I'm walking in the road because the sidewalks are impassable. People are trudging through them, but they're very dangerous. You can see by that set of steps right there how dangerous it is. And this winter storm here in Pennsylvania, I'm in Wilkes-Barre, and it's absolutely brutal. There's a driveway to the back entrance to the parking area where I live. Can't wait to get that plowed out because right now we can't even get out of our apartment. This is what the walkway looks like on this side of the campus. You can see the snow built up on this side of the campus. And it is absolutely miserable. It's very, very cold. I think it was 12 degrees when I pulled my phone out to do this video. So it is extremely, extremely cold. And it is snowing like crazy. The camera probably doesn't even do justice with how much it probably doesn't even pick it up, how much it's snowing right now, but it's snowing down pretty substantially. And as I said, I just got off work. Like I said, I covered the second half of a second shift tonight, even though I'm a third shift worker. I work nights, and today was my day off, but being I only live 2 blocks from my work, I walked in, clocked in, and for the most part pretty much had an uneventful evening. But yeah, it's nasty out here. I'm surprised by the amount of traffic that we have on the roads, even though we don't see any right here at the minute at this particular time. There has been some traffic. We are under a state of emergency. Non-emergency vehicles need to stay off the roads, but you know how well people listen. And it is brutally cold out here. But yeah, look. They just don't listen. And they're flying. That's even worse. The roads suck. Like I said, the sidewalks are impassable. And people are flying down the road at 45 miles an hour or something, and they shouldn't even be on the road at all. And like I said, the only reason why I'm walking on the road is because the sidewalks are impassable. I gotta walk through knee-deep snow just to go up to get into my apartment building. That gives you an idea of what it looks like for the snow with the lights here at the college. Yeah. It's an absolute dog's breakfast out here, literally. It is a mess. It's going to take a long time to clean up after this. Easy projection that tomorrow there'll be no school. College will be all virtual. And just a matter of seeing what's going on. The car you just saw there just put their camera equipment away, so they were probably filming this as well. But yeah. Snowstorm 2026 has upon us, and it is a bad one. But wanted to give you guys a video, see what it was like. I'm trying to get myself back into the video making, because I've been out of it for a while with everything we've had going on. And yeah, I'm trying to get 2026, get back on track and get back into making videos again. So, but we figured to start out 2026 with a snowstorm video. And I will have to take you down these roads and see some of the architecture down here of the buildings here, because they are absolutely gorgeous. For instance, you look at this one here. That's the Wilkes University Library. And this beautiful building here, get across the street so you can see that. Give you a little architectural teaser here. That is actually one of the Wilkes University office buildings. And again, you just see how nasty it is out here. But yeah, I will have to come down here and do an exterior tour of some of the architecture. But that'll be for another time when it's warmer. Right now it's absolutely freezing. I'm absolutely freezing. And I just got off work and I'm tired and I'm sore. And it's time to head inside. So with that, I shall bid you adieu. And we'll talk to you again soon. Have a great one.